Next up, we have the office window extraction for scavs. I'm over here by gate 0, and over here we have the bathroom and offices right above it. What we need to do to use this extract is to get into the offices in the top floor here. It's nice and easy to find. Here are some silos for reference. What we need to do is get upstairs. So I'll head in and upstairs past the bathroom here, all the way to the top floor, check the corner, and we'll head into the first door here, or the second door, they lead to the same place, into here. There are some filing cabinets we can check on the left-hand side here, and on the right, usually a safe that we can loot as well if another player hasn't got here already. Sweet. Just over here is the window in question. The blinds are pulled up. This is the office window extraction. Very easy to get to. It's usually relatively safe other than your feet thumping on the floor. And of course, people can see you through this door here, though you'll know if someone went in there, as the only way into this next room is to breach it. So obviously not lots of players will do that, but they can sit here and see you move around when you get here, even shoot at you. We'll find this on a map. Here's a map of factory. Over on the left-hand side here, the west side, we have the offices area here. We're looking on level 3 as we traveled up one flight and another flight. Zooming all the way in on level 3, we have the main office area here, and right in the center of it is the office window extract. Here's the room that we need to breach into, and the next room needs a key. It's super simple to find. Anyways, that's about it for this very quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!